Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change your Instagram username. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Instagram, open the app, and after that go to your profile and click on the bottom right of the screen, and after that go and click on edit profile. And as you can see, the second option is your username. You have just to click on it. And as you can see, changing your username may affect certain features. Since your current username is shared with Threads, changing it may remove the Threads banner on your Instagram profile and impact other features. You can change this by using the same username across apps. So click OK. And as you can see, this is my username, and I can just type any username, other username as you can see. And in most cases, it will tell you here, you will be able to change your username back to the same username for another 14 days. So after those 14 days, you will not have the right to use the same username, or maybe someone else can register your username. And you can edit your username up to 5 times in 30 minutes. After you complete the changement, you have to click on the blue icon on the top right of the screen, and that's it. Like that, your username will be changed easily. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.